Hello guys, the brand new iPhone 12 of 2020 will release 2 months later. But now there are already so many leaks on the internet and you can see so many videos about the new iPhone 12 on YouTube. So there's already no any secrets for the new iPhone. Today I got a model of the iPhone 12, exactly the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 6.7 inch. And I'm gonna show you some details of the new design and some new function. And what's more important of this video is that I'm gonna show you a special case in iPhone 12 style. Exactly is for iPhone 11. It makes iPhone 11 look like iPhone 12. Okay, let's go. The new iPhone 12 series, it has 4 different models in 3 different sizes. And the smallest one, the 5.4 inch, and the middle size, 6.1 inch of 2 models, and the largest one, the 6.7 inch, iPhone 12 Pro Max. And today I only got 1 model of this one. This is an iPhone model, it's not a real iPhone. The main difference in design from iPhone 12 to iPhone 11 or iPhone 10 is that the bezel is square. The 4 sides are completely flat. It's similar to iPhone 4 or iPhone 4X. And this is the model of iPhone 11 Pro, and this is iPhone 10. The edge is different. This is flat and both of the 2 iPhones are round. And what's more, the iPhone 12 looks thinner. It's very slim. It's thinner than the other old iPhones. Except the square bezel, another design makes me feel curious. We see here's the mode button and the volume button, and this is the dual color shade on the right side, and this is the power button. But this one is totally new to iPhone. In the iPhone 11 Pro or iPhone 10, it doesn't have this button. So I'm not sure what is it, but we can guess about that. Maybe it's a connector for some accessory, such as the magnet charging accessory or other keyboard or pencil. I don't know. We will have answer 2 months later. Another big change in design is that the camera part is much bigger than the iPhone 11 Pro. And this is the model of iPhone 11 Pro Max. And we see the camera. This part is much bigger from here to here, and about 0.5 cm larger than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But I'm not sure if there's a difference for the camera about the pixel or other function. There's another difference in the look and about the screen. The iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro Max, the bezel of the screen. Can you see that clearly? And for iPhone 12 Pro Max, the bezel is thinner than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But this part, this front camera part, and there are so many sensors here, so this is not smaller than the before iPhone, the same size maybe. One thing make me feel excited about the size and the 6.5 inch and the 6.7 inch. Exactly, the size is not bigger too much, but the screen is bigger. It's only a little bit larger than the 6.5 inch iPhone 11 Pro Max. Is very similar size. So above is the main features of the new iPhone 12 Pro Max in design. And now I'm gonna show you another very interesting item. The case makes your iPhone 11 Pro look like iPhone 12 Pro. Let's check about how does it work. This is the special case that makes your iPhone 11 Pro look like iPhone 12 Pro. The edge of the case is square, flat size, and is very similar to the iPhone 12 Pro. So it converts your iPhone 11 Pro into iPhone 12 Pro. Actually, it's a separate design for the case. Here is the back glass and here is the metal frame. I take the glass off. And here is some glue on the edge of the back glass. I take off the double tape and paste it on the iPhone. Okay, so here is the single frame of the case. Here is a lock here because it's metal material, so you cannot bend it. We unlock here and make it larger. Here is the model of the iPhone 11 Pro. It's okay now, it looks very good here. Okay, and now we put the back glass on here. So here it is, but the iPhone model is midnight green color and the frame is black color. So it's a little bit color difference. It's not perfect for this one. We compare about the iPhone 12 Pro. It's very similar for the size. Another side and bottom. It looks good. And there's another very good design, and you can see here is a hole, another hole, and another two holes here. You know, for the iPhone, this is the antenna, 4 antennas. So we cannot cover the antenna. If we cover that, the signal will be reduced. So it's a very good design. We check some more details of this case. Except this expensive metal case, there's another kind of case very popular recently. And here it is. Square design of the case. There's not only 4 colors, there are so many different colors, and it's not only for iPhone, it's also for Huawei, Xiaomi, for Samsung, and for other smartphone brands. Let's try it. And this is for iPhone 11, 6.1 inch. And this is the model of iPhone 11. Put it in. Because it's soft material, it's very easy to put it in. And now it's square. We compare to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's square, but this is matte material and this is glossy. It's only a little similar. It's not very similar to the iPhone 12. So here are the 3 iPhone 11 models in this case. Flat size, colorful, and very popular. Do you like it? This is the whole video about the new iPhone 12. Some main features in design I'm not sure is 100% accurate with the final iPhone 12, but I think it's about 80% to 90% accurate in design. We will have the final answer 2 months later. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. That will do a great difference to the development of my channel. Thank you again.